In this video, you'll learn how to buy Dogecoin using the Binance app. By following these instructions, you will successfully complete your purchase of Doge and manage your cryptocurrency effectively. Start by locating and opening the Binance mobile app on your device. If you are not already signed in, enter your login credentials to access your account. Once you are on the main screen of the app, look for the search bar, which is typically at the top of the screen. Type Dogecoin, appear an option from the results that appear. This action will direct you to the Dogecoin trading page, where you can view price charts and relevant market data. Before proceeding to purchase, it is important to check your account balance to ensure you have sufficient funds available. This step is crucial as it prepares you to make a purchase without encountering any issues later in the process. Once you have confirmed your balance, you are ready to buy Dogecoin. Next, on the Dogecoin trading page, find and select the buy option, which is usually prominently displayed. You will then be prompted to choose between a market order or a limit order. A market order will execute immediately at the current market price, while a limit order allows you to set a specific price at which you want to buy. Enter the amount of Dogecoin you wish to purchase, then carefully review all order details displayed on the screen to ensure everything is correct before confirming your transaction. After reviewing your order, confirm the purchase securely by tapping the appropriate confirmation button. Once you do this, you may see a loading indicator as the app processes your order. Wait for the execution confirmation, which will notify you that your order has been successfully completed. This step is essential as it finalizes your purchase of Dogecoin. To verify that the purchase was successful, navigate to your spot wallet within the app. This section contains all your cryptocurrency. Check your Dogecoin balance to ensure the amount you purchased is reflected correctly. Additionally, you can review your transaction history for details of the purchase. If everything appears accurate, you can choose to hold your Dogecoin or trade it as needed. In case you do not see your purchase, it is advisable to contact customer support for assistance. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.